Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers. Today we're going to be discussing how to increase the wireless range of your network at your house or your business. Now, we've got a lot of people that have come into us and they said, well, I've got a wireless router, but as soon as I get to either a different level of the house or further away from the router, I lose connection. Or my signal is so weak that I don't have a good internet experience. So a lot of houses are not pre-wired. So in the old days you used to say, well, let's put in a range extender, but those were never really that successful. We found a good solution. What we've done is that we've taken these kits, which are called the Ethernet over Power, and they've got two different ranges, the 500 AV and the 1300 AV2. And what it does is that this now is connected to your router via a network cable, and it plugs into your electricity, and it's Ethernet over Power because it sends your Ethernet signal over your electricity in the house. The other end of it is then plugged in where you want to have the better signal, and that is hardwired to the wireless access point. Unify have got some great wireless access points. The problem with those is that they have to be hardwired. If you don't have hard wiring, this is the way to do it. Ethernet over Power, we can connect those for you, whether you've got a 4,000 square foot house, 6,000 square foot house. We can put in multiples of these if you've got different levels, even if it's a 3 or 4 story. This has worked great, and it saves you a lot of money instead of trying to do the wiring or the network cabling on it. If you've got a business, we can put in a switch, and with that you've got a key that you can control your network with, and they've even got some great devices which this will be plugged into your wall, and you can put your Ethernet cable in, but it also sends out a wireless signal, so that kind of does 2 in 1. Normally these are going to be PoE switches, and that works great in churches, larger organizations. But if you've got a house, going Ethernet over Power with wireless access point is a great way to do it, and we've done that successfully many times. If you've got any questions, give us a call, 281-647-9977.